get my nose, no, not nose, navel pierced today, and I'm here at Ujum? Ojum. Tattoo. And he's there sterilizing everything since I gave him a hard time before I came here. Hi. So does it hurt? Talaga?
Yeah.
I went to YouTube and they told me na hindi.
It hurts, ma'am. Hindi ko kaya, parang kurang dinosaur yun.
Kurang dinosaur.
Parang kurang lang naman ng dinosaur. It's like bad eye. Bad eye. Yan. But big such a rebo. Go please. Ang sakit tawa pa, oh. Gosh.
Okay, what should I do now?
Relax, ma'am. Yes, relax.
I'm going to have a needle go inside of me. How can I relax? Sige. You can stick with it. I'll be...
Lapit lang. Bigay mo? Wala po. Ba pwede ko siya makita? Is it okay? Baba natin. Ay, di. Wala pa.
Whoa.
Nervous?
If it really hurts, I'll kill you.
Get back!
Okay ka lang ba, ma'am?
No?
Ay, you're taking... Piercing, if it's you're not okay.
Nervous. Ang kapal.
No, ma'am.
Pa naman. Wait a second, I might change my mind right now. Eh, nandito ka na eh, kaya
Take it, ma'am. Take a bit.
No. Go. Kaya mo yan.
Go.
Natin na tayo solve it. Tapos, sakit ba? Do it!
Nalalamig.
Do it.
Ma'am, masakit tong forceps.
Oo, siyempre.
Forceps ang masakit actually. Ma'am, relax ha.
Oh my god. Wait, this is it. Wait! Okay.
Ma'am, don't hold the forceps. Just relax.
Hold on to me. Bismillah.
Relax, ma'am. Ma'am, pataas na yung shirt.
Start na ba? Kaya mo yan. Konti na lang.
Relax na, ma'am.
Konti na lang.
Wait, shit!
What's wrong? Wait, I can't do this. Hindi na? No.
Ma'am, masyadong tik yung balat.
Maupo ka. No, wait. I think that was a sign or something. Oo nga.
Huwag mo na ituloy, ma'am. Masyadong matigas yung balat ko.
Lalagyan ng alcohol. Sandali lang.
Come here.
Dapat ka munang magpa-reduce. Mabuti yung sinabi mo noon, di ba? Are you serious? Oo. Kasi masyadong makapal ang balat eh.
Too thick.
Oo.
Ma'am, look at this one.
Oh, tingnan mo, kamuntik na siyang mano. Oh my goodness! Oh?
See?
Pareho lang kayo saktan.
The skin is too thick.
Oh?
Oo, saan tumagos?
That's a failed attempt.